Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Google Sheets not saving changes, basically offline mode error. So let's get started with the video. So if you're on the Google Sheet and you're unable to save it or it's went on an offline mode, basically what you can do, there are a few checks. The first one is open a new Google Sheet. Once you have opened the new Google Sheet, click on the old sheet, just copy paste all the rows and column. You can click on Control A, you can click on Control C, go to new sheet and click on Control V. So as you can see, it has created a new page with the same. Now what you can do, since you are unable to save it in the old sheet, in the new sheet, you can go to File. Here you will see an option of download. You just need to download this Microsoft Excel.xlsx file. Once you will download it, you will have the backup of that sheet and then you can import it. The next step what you can do is you need to just try to refresh your page once. Sometime it happens that once you refresh, it went to online mode and again you can make the save changes. The third step is in the address bar, you need to write drive.google.com. You need to go to your Google Drive and set it to offline mode. Here you will see an option of settings at upper right corner. Click on this settings, again settings, and here when you will scroll down till the end, you will see an option of offline mode. So basically, even if you're offline, you can create, open, edit, or you can save your files even when you are offline. No internet connection is required. You can click on this offline. It will take few seconds for the changes to be made. You can refresh and check it if the changes are made or not. Refresh once and check. Yes. The next thing which we can do is we can clear the cache of the browser. Once there is a possibility there was a cache, because of that you are unable to save it. For this you need to click on the three dots at upper right corner. Go to the settings. Post that you need to go to privacy and security. Here you will see an option of delete browsing data, choose browsing history, cached images and files. Do not choose this cookies and other site data because it will automatically erase if you have saved any password. Click on delete data. And you can also try to reconnect your internet connection once. If you are on Wi-Fi, you can switch to another network and check vice versa. So basically these are the steps in which you can fix the offline mode error. Here it says reload to allow offline editing. You can again reload it once you have made the settings in Google Drive to offline mode. So whenever you will be offline, you will be able to save the data without any changes. You can make the edit as well. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.